got one. Yep. Little baby. Hey, but it's still one. A little small one. But man, he's healthy. Pretty white. Look at that. Alright, number one. Got another, guys. Alright. I'm gonna call it a day. Simply because that rain is coming. I know y'all see them gray clouds, so. Number two is all I'm gonna do for now. I'm not gonna weigh this one either. Once again, another small one. Hey, at least I know they're starting to come in here. They're young, look good, so yeah. Alright guys, talk to y'all later. Once again, if you like the videos that you've seen so far, just hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and just, hey, look out for more videos. Alright.